The mother, father. A mother. A father. A sister. A plane. A train. A bike. David's mother. She is David's mother. David's father. He is David's father. David's sister. She is David's sister. David's bike. It is David's bike. David's train. It is David's train. David's plane. It is David's plane. Is she David's mother? Yes, she is. She is his mother. Is he David's father? Yes, he is. He is his father. Is it David's train? Yes, it is. It is his train. Is she David's sister? No, she isn't. She isn't his sister. Are they David's planes? Yes, they are. They are his planes. Is it David's bike? No, it isn't. It isn't his bike. Is it David's bike? Yes, it is. It is his bike. Is she David's sister? Yes, she is. She is his sister. Is it David's plane? No, it isn't. It isn't his plane. Is it David's train? Yes, it is. It is his train. Are they David's family? No, they aren't. They aren't his family.